How to stop autoplay in Telegram. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can stop autoplay in Telegram. Whenever you come across any videos or GIFs, they start autoplaying. Now, if you want to prevent them from autoplaying or stop this autoplay, you will need to adjust some settings. For that, you will need to open your Telegram application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here you will need to tap on those three horizontal lines at the top left corner of the screen to access the sidebar. Once the sidebar opens, here you need to tap on the settings option. Once doing that, you will be taken to this page. Here locate the settings section, and when you scroll down, there you will find power saving option. Tap on this power saving, and when you reach to this page, here under power saving options, at the bottom you will find autoplay videos. You will also see the toggle button at the right side, which is currently turned on, so the videos were autoplaying itself. Now to stop the autoplaying, you will need to tap on this toggle button at the right side to switch it off. Once doing that, at the bottom you will find autoplaying GIFs. At the right side of this option, you will again see a toggle button which is currently turned on. Now to disable it, you just simply have to tap on this toggle button and switch it off. Now once doing that, even if you come across any videos or GIFs, they won't start autoplaying. So in this way you can stop autoplay in Telegram. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.